Hey everyone, in this video we'll be going over this SAT non-calculator problem. So the problem is 3x plus 4y equals negative 23 and 2y minus x equals negative 19. What is the solution xy to the system of equations above? So this is just a normal system of equations problem, and you should have seen problems like this before, and it's a very common occurrence on the SAT. So first we have to choose one of these equations. We'll just call these equations 1 and 2, and now we have to pick one of these equations and isolate the variable. So we'll start with just 2 because we already have an nearly isolated x. So now we just bring this over, plus x plus 19 plus 19, and this becomes x is equal to 2y plus 19. And now we plug in this x into this equation here. So then we get 3 times 2y plus 19, because this is nothing but x, plus 4y equals negative 23. And now we distribute this 3 over into both numbers. So then our new equation is 6y plus 3 times 19 is 57, plus 4y is equal to negative 23. And then we add like terms. So then first we bring over this 57 to this side. And then we get 10y is equal to 57 plus 23 is 80. So this becomes negative 80 because negative plus negative becomes a negative in the end here. And then we divide both sides by 10. And then get y is equal to negative 8. And now that we have y equal to negative 8, we know our answer choice is B. But just to be sure, we can go ahead and plug this back into one of our equations. So then when we plug it back in, we get 2 times, and instead of y, we write negative 8, minus x equals negative 19. And then we get x is equal to, so this is negative 16 minus x equals minus 19, and negative x is equal to negative 3, x equals 3, and that matches answer choice B. And then we can go ahead and plug it in as a final check. So let's go ahead and plug in our final values here. So let's take this same equation, minus x equals negative 19, and now we plug in both our answers. So we get 2 times negative 8 minus, what is our x value? It is positive 3, so minus 3 equals negative 19. Negative 16 minus 3 equals negative 19, and that is true. So we know that answer choice B is our correct answer.